Leonard Peterson once again here. Today I'm going to tell you how to do a surface area of a square pyramid. So first you need a square pyramid, which I have right here, and a ruler that measures in centimeters, inches, or millimeters, whatever you want to measure in. Here today I'm going to be measuring in centimeters, and right here I get 8, and since it's a square, it's going to be 8 all around. And then for my side height, since that's what you need for surface area, you get 8 again. So I'm going to be doing 8 and 8. So, alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to do the surface area. First you draw a net, which I have right here drawn out. And then you measure, say each side gets, and since it's a square, you got 8, 8, 8, and 8 centimeters. So you get 64 centimeters. And how you get that is you take 8 by 8, since you only need 2 sides. And then you get 64. And then over here for a triangle, you take 8 and 8, since 8 is the base, and then the side height is 8. And then you divide by 2, since it's a triangle, and you get 32 centimeters. And then you take them all added up, and then you get 192 centimeters squared, and you square it since it's surface area.